Welcome back to Avengers of Nathan and Ethan.
Hi guys, we are making
tacos.
As part of Hispanic Heritage Month, this was a project for school. So here we go, tacos time. So you're gonna need your shell, your tortilla shells.
Yeah.
You warm them up in the microwave or on a skillet.
Yeah.
You're gonna need any kind of meat. We're using chicken.
Yeah.
You can use ground beef, you can use shrimp.
Yeah.
You can do veggie.
Yes. You can do it if you like to.
What I like about tacos is kind of what you like you can put inside of it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put some lettuce.
Yes.
We're gonna
put some cheese.
Shredded cheese. We use the 4 cheese blend.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a mixture of
cheese.
A few different kinds.
Yes, we have it.
We also have this cilantro lime sauce.
Yeah.
This can be used as a dip, a dressing, or a drizzle on taco. The thing what we like about this also is that it's vegan. Yeah. So it's egg free, dairy free, and we tried it out and it tastes okay. So let's get building.
Let's get building on.
So you're gonna take your shell. What are we gonna add first? Let's see.
Maybe the chicken?
How about the lettuce? Let's do one with chicken first. Let's do one with lettuce. You build yours, I'll build mine. So you can go ahead and put your chicken. Oh, for the chicken we used boneless thighs as opposed to breast because the thigh is a little juicier.
Yeah.
So you could go ahead. You could start putting chicken on yours. I'll put lettuce on mine first.
This looks yummy. This looks curry.
Let me help you.
I already know to do it.
We also made guacamole in our last video to make as a topping.
Now we're making taco.
That's enough chicken. You can't fold it too much because then you can't fold it.
No.
I'm gonna add chicken to mine. I had lettuce on mine. You're not gonna try some lettuce?
Done. I already tried for the
How about one little strip? Put that veggie in there.
No.
Okay, just one.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yes.
Then we're gonna put the cheese.
I like cheese for myself. I want to add some too. I don't like some cheese.
Go ahead. Put it in. Put it in.
It's so wet. It's a little wet to me. It's wet, guys. It's wet. So
then, from our last video, Nathan already concluded that he didn't like the guac. I added cilantro in it, so he doesn't like the cilantro. So he's not gonna put any guac on his as a topping, but I'll put guac on mine. But he can use some of the cilantro lime sauce. You don't want this either?
No, because I taste it and it tastes.
Okay, so I'll put on mine.
I can't see it.
I'll put on mine. Tacos. Tacos.
You're right.
Then you put it like this.
I can do that.
Are you going to do a taste test for them?
Yes.
Go ahead.
I think I'm going to
I think you have to come up in the chair. Come up.
I like. I'm going to like everything disgusting.
His tacos doesn't even have sauce. Who eats tacos without sauce?
I don't eat tacos. Most. Have to taste the cheese. Ugh, I don't like.
That's the lettuce.
I don't like it.
That's the lettuce.
Taste cheese.
We're waiting to hear. Yeah or nay? Let the viewers know.
It's kind of good.
Yeah, because it's missing that sauce. That's why. Let me do a taste test.
That's good.
This is really good.
I tasted for once. It tastes bad because I.
Okay. Alright guys. Hope you liked the video. Bye.
Please subscribe and click
Oh,
the
yeah.
bell.
Subscribe too. Bye-bye.
Bye.